Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to move text channels on Discord using the mobile app. If you've ever wanted to organize your server to make it cleaner and easier for people to navigate, this guide will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and head over to your server. You'll want to tap on the server where you want to rearrange the channels. Once you're inside, look at the top of the screen and tap on your server's name. This will open up a menu with several options. From there, choose Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Channels. Tap on it, and you'll find all of your categories and text channels listed. At the top right, there should be an option called Reorder. This is the tool you'll use to move things around within your server layout. Next, choose the Text Channels section. Here, you'll see all the text channels within their categories. Now, this is where the fun part begins. Hold and drag the category you want to move. Simply press and hold on the category or channel, then drag it into the new position you'd like it to be in. Whether you're moving it above another category or reorganizing channels inside a category, you can place it exactly where it makes the most sense for your community. Once you've arranged everything how you like, tap Done at the top right. That's it. Your channels are now in their new order, and everyone in the server will see your updated layout immediately. Organizing your channels can really improve how people experience your server. It makes it easier for members to find the conversations they're looking for, and keeps your community feeling fresh and structured. If you want to make more changes, you can always come back to these settings and reorder everything again the same way. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to move and reorder text channels on Discord Mobile. Thanks for watching.